All right, welcome to tutorial 6 for corporate and social responsibility. So to get started, I'm going to click on that corporate and social responsibility tab at the top. Again, notice for CSR that I've got my budget over here that shows me that I have $162,000 left in my budget for this. And I've got my report showing me my score. Think of this as my reputation. And then to the right, it says charitable giving, and that's where the majority of the work takes place in this tab. So here I've got my reputation, and you can see my folks are not so happy with me. So I need to go ahead and increase my CSR scores and percentage of my budget in each of these. So my employees need some bonuses, and I want to make sure that they're happy. They need some good benefits, so I'm going to give them some benefits there. Charitable giving is important, as well as volunteer efforts. So I can change my allocations so that I can reach my budget so that I can increase my reputation within each of these categories. And then you're looking for where do the little happy faces fall to make sure that I'm spending the appropriate amount of money there. Watch your budget. So I'm down to 2 cents left in my budget. So I'm still in the black, which is important. And then also look on the right here, because for under charitable giving, I've got some different options here. So I can do a food drive, I can go to schools, well, let's say education, and then I can determine maybe that my effort to support for volunteers is going to be for cleanup, so environmental cleanup.